Hey, good morning, everyone, and thank you so much for your contributions to our very first discussion for ED116. I thought there was really great collaboration, great sharing of ideas, just honesty about where you're at with online education and online learning. Don't underestimate the power of your experience as a student taking online courses. It's really easy to learn what you like and what not to do when you're a student. So everyone has to start somewhere, so I don't want you to feel like because you haven't had a lot of online learning or online teaching experience that you don't have much to add here, because you do. We all start somewhere, and as Elaine put it in one of her posts, is that we're all here just to bump up our game. And so wherever you're at on that spectrum of not teaching at all in online learning to teaching a lot, the goal here is just to bump up your game a little bit and also learn a little bit about our system and how to build courses. So huge welcome to all of you. I think this is going to be a really great opportunity to reach some of the goals that you talked about. Building engagement, that's very important. Humanizing your classes through those engagements and interactions, those are all very important. And I think what you're going to find is what makes us an effective online instructor isn't rocket science. It's going to be the little things that we do within our courses to insert the human aspect, whether that's our personality through videos, whether that's sharing our own personal experiences. I think you're going to find that what makes us effective isn't all that complicated. And so again, welcome. I've got a few notes here. Some challenges I think people think about with online learning is keeping that rigor, and I'm just here to encourage you. We can still keep rigor while teaching online. That's certainly possible. It just takes us to be diligent with how we create content, and we're going to work on that. It takes doing things differently than what you would do in the classroom. Think about all the things you say on that first day of your class. How do we make that happen in our online class? We'll talk about that. And so this first week was just getting you comfortable with some new technology for some of you that we're going to use throughout the semester, and also to get you a chance to meet everyone. And so hopefully you will be able to join us on Wednesday at noon for our first of 3 Teams meetings that we're going to have as a class. And so we're just going to do some brief overviews, welcome, show you some things, answer some questions, and then get you going from there. Just a housekeeping thing I wanted to share as I went through the discussion. When you complete your assignment in VoiceThread, you're going to notice there's a button for you to submit once you've completed the required number of posts. I'm just going to remind you to be sure you click that when you're all finished up. What that does for me on the instructor side is it communicates back to the gradebook in MyWDT to tell me you're complete with that. And so just be looking for that as you complete these VoiceThread assignments. That just helps the instructor know on the other side in MyWDT that we're done. So again, welcome. What you're going to see in this class is that my mentality with it is, if I'm going to teach you how to swim, I'm going to throw you in the water. And so I really try to design this course in such a way that gives you a student experience. There's going to be things I do that you like and that you might want to duplicate in your classes. There's going to be things I have you do that you don't like, and you're going to say, nope, not for me, not for my students, and that's okay too. I just try to give you a variety of experiences so you can decide for yourself what works for you and your students. So I really look forward to working with you this semester, and I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday. All right, thank you.